Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking at a Logitech K380 for Mac. This is multi-device, so you can use this with the iPhone, iPad, Mac Mini, MacBook, iMac, and so on and so on. But you can actually also use this for other devices, like for example Chromebook or even Windows. Since this is Bluetooth, you can pretty much pair it with anybody. The reason this is for Mac because it has all those buttons the Mac does. So instead of options and Windows keys, it's going to have Command, Option, Control, and FN, which I don't believe are found on the Windows keyboard. Here is the back of the box, and here is the type of multiple devices. So you can pair this 3 devices at the same time. So for example, if I'm using it on the Mac Mini, iPad, and iPhone, I don't need to keep pairing it each time I'm switching devices. So it keeps the memory, so you can pair it up to 3 devices, which is really cool. And here is what you need. So you need macOS 10.15 or later, iOS 13 or later, iPad OS 13.1 or later, internet connection for recommended software download. Here is the technical specification, configuration, and here is the side. Now let's open it and see how it looks. And here is the keyboard. Let me see if I can just take it out. I'll show you that in a little bit. Let's see what else came inside. So we have this paperwork. I'm not sure what it is, some kind of startup guide or warranty or something. And let's see if there's anything else. So there's nothing else inside. Now let's check the keyboard itself. Let me just take it out of this plastic. And we do get another paper that was on the bottom. A little bit of instructions how to use this, especially the 3 device pairing. All right, now let's check the keyboard itself. Oh, I love the keys. Very soft. They're definitely a different design than the regular Mac keyboard. I have it right here, which the keys you can see they're square. These are round keys. When it comes to the size, they're pretty much very similar in size. Pretty much about the same, which is a really good thing because I do love the Mac one. But very similar in size. This one is Logitech is definitely thicker, but that's not a bad thing. I mean, you're not carrying it around. Now let's check the bottom. I think you have to pull this out. And or maybe I should just open it. Oh, there we go. So it already comes with the 2 AAA batteries. Let's pop that back in. And there we go. Now let's check what else we have. So we do have the power button on the side, so it's already on. It has the 3 lights flash. So once we pair them, we're gonna select 1, 2, 3. If you want to use it with 1 device, you can do that as well. Now what I'm gonna do next is just try pairing it with my iPad since that's the fastest, and I'll show you how easy that is. Alright, here we go. I have my iPad here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn on the power. And once the power is on, we're gonna select which one we want to pair it with. Since this is my first device, I'm gonna select one and I'm gonna hold that for about 3 seconds. Once it starts flashing, and right here we go, it says K380 for Mac. I'm gonna select that. And now we're just gonna type that in, 277191. Press enter, and just like that, it already says it's connected. That was super fast. It took like 10 seconds. All right, here we go. I have blank page. Let's see how the keyboard is. All right, so I did some typing. I didn't know what I was gonna type, just random stuff. But the keyboard itself feels really, really good. All right, now let's check the keys on this keyboard. So right on top, I see the brightness, and it works with the iPad, so I can increase, decrease the brightness. Let's check the volume. I can do the same with the volume. I can also mute the volume, which is really nice if you listening to music. There's also medium controls on top. Overall, a very, very good keyboard. I'm actually quite impressed with it. I'm used to it right away, and I can write a book on this keyboard right away. It's only been a couple minutes. The keys feel really good, soft. They're soft, so I'm not making a lot of noise as I'm typing. I think this is one of those perfect keyboards. Let's say you have iPad Pro or something, you want to take this. It's not heavy, it's not big, so you can actually take this, for example, to Starbucks, using it to type whatever you're typing. So it's a very portable keyboard as well. Thank you guys for watching.